In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the running stitch. Now I have my needle threaded. I'm going to use these two pieces of fabric and I'm going to sew them together. So for the running stitch, you want to make sure that your knot is in the back side or wrong side of the work, or I could have put the knot between these two pieces of fabric too. But just for the sake of demonstration, I'll say let's put it in the back of the work. You want to bring the knot right up against the back of the fabric. Then you start making your stitches by pushing the needle up through the back, out the front, and then back down through the back again. And you just go along doing that. You want to make your stitches as evenly spaced as possible. You want your stitches to be as even as possible. And you want to try to make sure that when your needle comes out the back, it's coming out at about the same distance from the edge of the fabric as as the stitches are in the front. That is the space between your stitch and the edge of the fabric is actually called your seam allowance. And you want to try to keep the seam allowance even too. So there's a lot to think about when you're doing the running stitch. Mostly your goal is to make them look as evenly spaced as possible and to try to make that seam allowance as consistent as possible. Now, when you're done making your stitches and you want to stop, you always have to make an ending knot or some way of attaching those stitches so that they don't just come undone. So I'm going to pick up just a little bit of fabric on the back side or wrong side of the work, and I'm going to make a loop. And I will pass my needle through that loop once, and then a second time, so twice. And then I'm going to pull that knot so that it is snug up against the fabric. And that way my stitches won't come undone. And both knots, as you notice, are on the wrong side or back side of the fabric. I'll take my scissors and clip the tail, but not right up next to the knot or it might come undone. And there it is. That is the running stitch.